Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Ollie Ace here. So I wanted to shoot this video in the hope to encourage, I guess, enthusiasm and really give hope to those Builderall affiliates that might have felt kind of lost and may feel like they've lost out on an opportunity now that obviously we've got the release of 3.0 and obviously we've got all these changes that are coming about in terms of the promoting of Builderall. Now, I know for those of you that have been promoting Builderall as a money-making opportunity, a business opportunity, as you know, this is no longer possible, right? You know, this is not how Eric, the founder, wants Builderall to be represented. And obviously, if there's anyone seen representing Builderall as a money-making business opportunity, then they obviously risk their account being shut down. So the purpose of this video was for me to give you guys maybe a little guidance in terms of what you can do now that these new this new way of promoting Builderall for many is now the way that you need to promote it, and how you might want to go about doing that. Because myself and a lot of my team, you know, we've always promoted Builderall with regards to the value of the platform, and then basically promoting the affiliate program at the back end as a bonus. So, you know, we would never lead with the affiliate program. So yeah, I guess I just wanted to give a little guidance to those of you that might be struggling, that might be lost for ideas in terms of, you know, what do we do now that we can't promote Builderall as a money-making opportunity. So as you guys know, we've had many enhancements, many introductions to the platform. You know, we've got various tools that are on its way. One of the tools that Builderall now has is known as Canvas, and what this means is that it's going to make it easier for you to put together a sales funnel where you are able to see screen by screen, if you like, exactly how your sales funnel is going to look. And you know, the reason why it's been called Canvas, I guess, is because you are working with a blank screen, a blank canvas. And what this tool enables you to do is that it enables you, I guess, page by page, to basically plot out how you want your funnel to look. So, you know, you could say that you want to start off by having a welcome page, and then after that welcome page, you want it to link to an opt-in page requesting for an email address. So basically the canvas enables you to start putting together some sort of flow diagram, if you like, of what your sales funnel is going to look like, which makes it a lot easier. So you can see it as a diagram, a flowchart diagram, if you like. So that's really exciting, and a lot of people are not only going to find that useful, but a lot of people, as you know, sales funnels is the thing, right? It's a very powerful tool if you can use it correctly, and you know, having Canvas is really going to help push that to the next level. It's a real game changer. So that is a great tool to have part of Builderall, and that's now already been released, and we have access to that. The other tools that are going to be available to us, they're not available as yet, but is basically the checkout. You know, we are going to be able to basically put together affiliate programs where you can now start distributing commissions. So, you know, no matter, you know, if you want to put together an affiliate program and a multi-level marketing program, you can now do that with Builderall, whereas in the past you couldn't. And the reason why you couldn't do that is because you weren't able, there wasn't a tool within Builderall to start to distribute commissions. So, you know, if you wanted to incorporate a 2-tier, a 3-tier, a 4-tier, 5-tier program, you can now, because there's going to be a tool there that's going to enable you to start distributing commissions automatically. So that, you know, that's again really exciting. So that's on its way. The other tool that you're going to be having that's going to be made available to you guys is a digital wallet. Now this, I think, is really good because, you know, for those people that wanted to get plugged into Builderall but didn't have access to PayPal, this is going to make it's going to make this now a thing of the past, because there's going to be a digital wallet, which means that you don't necessarily need PayPal. All you need to do is just upload your digital wallet with the funds, and you can basically pay for your subscription that way. But the better thing is that you can also receive payment by using this digital wallet as well. And what's really good about that is that you don't have to pay fees. Whereas, PayPal, that, when you're having your commissions paid into PayPal, there's a fee. When you're withdrawing from PayPal, there's a fee. But if you're using the digital wallet, there are no fees. So it's going to make transactions a lot easier. And also, when you are putting together your affiliate program and you want to make payouts to your various different levels, you're going to be able to do that with your wallet and basically start allocating what commissions go where, and that's going to be used with the wallet. So again, that's another interesting tool that's going to be made available in Builderall. I don't know when that's going to be released, but that's going to be released soon. So that, amongst other things, there's more enhancements made, with regards to the website Builderall Pixel Perfect. I know now it's been actually been in the process of being enhanced. So now, when you're putting together your website, you don't need to do it separately for a mobile device. It is now, I believe, working where if you're doing it for your desktop, it's now going to be fully optimized for mobile or your tablet. I don't believe it's 100% perfect as yet, but we're almost there. But yeah, that's going to be a massive advantage for us when we're building our, building websites for ourselves and for our clients, because again, you can do that without having to do it separately for your desktop and for your mobile. So yeah, so that's on its way as well. Now, the reason why I wanted to give you a rundown in terms of the enhancements and the improvements and the additions of the tools that are made to Builderall is because now is the time that you're going to want to start understanding what tools are available within Builderall. Now, I'm not referring to those people that are basically using Builderall. I'm not referring to those people that currently understand what tools are available within Builderall, but I'm kind of aiming at those people that don't really have a clue in terms of how Builderall works, what the tools are, because you guys have been obviously promoting it as a money-making opportunity, and even though you may know the basics, now is the time to really try to understand how can Builderall as a platform help the people out there. How can people or entrepreneurs, business owners really benefit from the Builderall platform by using its tools? So the way that we position it, the way that I've been positioning it is purely this. What I would do is that I would try to identify what the most common challenges are with regards to a business owner, an entrepreneur. As you may have guessed, this is the niche that I tend to go for, right? I go for the entrepreneurs, I go for the existing business owners, because they will know exactly what kind of challenges they may face when trying to run an online business, or when they're trying to, for those people that are just starting, those people that's trying to gain a digital presence, there are challenges around that. And, my job as, I guess, a promoter of Builderall, an affiliate of Builderall, is to really find out how can Builderall be a potential solution for these entrepreneurs, for these business owners. And, once you know how to do that, okay, the whole promotion process becomes a lot easier. Now remember, we're not out there to necessarily get affiliates, okay? But what we're out there to do is now we're there to get users, people that will depend on Builderall. Because guess what? If people are using the platform, if people are basically having their business sit on the platform, what are the chances that they're going to stay plugged in month after month? Very high, right? Because obviously, it would be a lot more painful for a business owner who has basically numerous websites built on the platform, numerous sales funnels built within the platform. It would be a lot more painful for them to leave. So obviously they're going to stay. And what does that mean for us? It means that we're going to receive that passive residual income, which is why it's so powerful promoting Builderall in this way. And Eric knows this. A lot of the people that have been promoting Builderall know this. But for those of you that haven't been promoting Builderall that way, this is something new to you guys. But that's the logic. That's the reason why if you can master doing it this way, you guys will become so much more successful and it will become so much more lucrative financially. So that is one way that you can approach it. You can basically start deciding on a niche, and examples of that niche would be business owners, people that are looking to start a business, people that are already part of an online business. You can now start promoting Builderall to these guys in terms of a all-in-one solution. You know, how is Builderall going to help not only address the challenges that they're currently facing, but also how it's going to work as a solution and help optimize their business. And this is what I coach my team members in terms of, like, you know, how do you identify what those challenges are? Because obviously there's a strategy and a way of doing that. And then not only once you've identified what those challenges are, how do you start working the value of Builderall as a potential solution? Because once you get those things fitting together, then it doesn't really become a sell, because it becomes a want, it becomes a need, and you will find that these people are going to want the tool. All right, so it's really a question of just educating the people you're talking to in terms of, listen, I know that you have potential challenges. I know you have potential issues running your online business. I know there are better ways of giving your business digital presence, and I can show you how to do that, all by the use of Builderall, the all-in-one business platform. And that's how I basically introduced the platform to this niche, and this is why I've been so successful in terms of building my team. Now, remember, Eric did say that even though you shouldn't openly promote or only promote the affiliate program, okay, you can still promote it, but that shouldn't be the main focus. And where I've been successful, where my team's been successful in getting affiliates, is by basically, once you've identified and you've worked in the value of Builderall and they see the value of Builderall, then what you can do is that you can say to them, as an option, by the way, you can also give yourself 3 additional income streams by leveraging the handsome compensation plan that Builderall has. Now remember, what's really great about this, guys, is that you don't need to buy Builderall Business anymore to be an affiliate member. All right, they can be an affiliate at any package. So they can be an affiliate at the $9.90 package, at the $39.90 package, and at the $49.90 package. It doesn't matter, but they can be affiliate free of charge. All right, so that's actually a great advantage for you guys. All right, so once you've worked in the value of Builderall and they understand the value and they want the tool, then you can say, well, listen, to top that off, why don't you leverage the compensation plan by giving yourself 3 additional income streams, and then you can talk and break down what the affiliate program consists of and how they can make that additional income. All right, so I'm hoping that that's giving you guys a little bit more idea, a little bit of encouragement, and kind of excited in terms of how you can now promote Builderall. Yes, it's going to be an adjustment and it's going to take some getting used to, but listen, once you've mastered this, okay, you will be so much more successful and your business will grow. But the important thing is not to give up. Don't throw in the towel. All right, because once you've done that, you are throwing away an opportunity. And especially for those of you that are legacy Builderall affiliates, you know, those of you that have been plugged into Builderall before the changes have been made, you know, we're still benefiting from the original privileges. So, you know, it's important, if you really want to make a go of it, to now embrace this change, you know, put in the action, and, you know, really make it work for you, because it can work for you. I hope this has been helpful. I'll look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, stay blessed, and get lit.